Another critical measure of the health of the economy is to look at what's happening to the price level. Inflation is a continuing increase in the overall price level. How do we measure inflation? Well, first, it's necessary to track prices. The most common way of doing that is through the Consumer Price Index, called the CPI. How does one create a price index? You arbitrarily select a base year. In the United States, the Bureau of Labor Statistics has selected 1983, and we're still using that. You choose a market basket of goods and services that typical, ordinary Americans buy. You find the cost of that basket in the base year, and then you compare that to the cost of the market basket in other years. So, for example, for this year, you'd find the cost of that exact same basket of goods and services and compare it to the cost of that basket in 1983. And you'd multiply the result by 100. So, the Consumer Price Index is designed to tell you one thing: what's happening to the cost of living for ordinary American consumers. It doesn't tell you anything else. It doesn't tell you what's happening to the cost of submarines or French perfume or designer clothes or things like that. Ordinary American goods and services that typical consumers buy. Okay, so if the market basket in 2019 cost $1,250, and in the base year, that market basket cost $500, what you get is a Consumer Price Index of 250. So what? What does that mean? What does it tell you? All you can do is compare this number to the base year index of 100. The base year always has an index of 100. That's why you use an index, because you can instantly compare. So in 2019, the price index was about 250. You compare that to 100 for 1983, and what you know is prices rose 2.5 times. Prices are about 2.5 times higher than they were in the base year, or a price increase of 150%. Prices have risen 150% since the base year. 250 minus 100. That's the increase in the overall price level.